This guy! Bro, are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Poor little puppy guy. Wheelie Guy stuff. Man, you were cruising though, because you slid for a minute. That's my neighbor's kid. Totally cool. He's hanging out with some chicks. So anyway, welcome back everybody. It's Saturday. Been doing a bunch of adult stuff and moving and just all kinds of stuff going on. So it's good to be on the bike. It's good to be talking to you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to head to the lot. We're gonna meet up with a couple of the peeps, Mr. FZ Wheelie Guy and another guy or two if I'm not mistaken, and we're gonna go raid the ditch for a little bit. We haven't gotten some ditch time in a little while, so I think it's due. So strap your helmet on, pull the plate, because you and Hood Rat shit have a date. But it is nice. The weather's changing, not quite so stinking hot. Football's starting, and there's Mr. FZ Wheelie Guy right there, over there. This guy! I met you.
Hey, do you remember this season of Black NCO7 did a wheelie?
Yeah. Oh no, I don't know if I was there for that one.
Well, he also did a wheelie.
I know, I was so... No, so I actually met this dude. He was doing wheelies over at the city lot over there by the city shop. And I pulled up and I was like... And I was just like, bro, like you got some balls. Like you're over here. Oh, dude. What's up, man? It's good to see you.
Yeah. Who else are we possibly waiting with?
I have no idea. I didn't check the chat. I was trying to hurry up. Oh, dude, you weren't kidding.
No.
I got gloves on. I really shouldn't. Where can we put these things? Elmo? Sorry, buddy. I know. I know it's the wrong trash can, but we're getting them off the dang old curb anyway. Like, what the f***? What the f***? I feel so dirty. Ugh. Alright. Alright, wheewies. So I think we're waiting on one more. Bro, are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, check your arm. It's a little bit deeper back here. I don't know if you can see that, but right there.
That's okay.
How's the bike? I think I don't know if I have the pair of pliers that are infamous for bending these things back. I think I got them though. We got that. I don't have the infamous pliers.
Stunt life. You know, honestly, a lot of that fabric probably saved a lot of your arm too. This?
That's thin as.
This is shit fabric.
Oh damn!
That's what I'm saying. Like we're.
You must have been at 12 o'clock and doing this.
Yeah, I believe I was wobbled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goon activities resume. Oh, we're going this way. I guess we're going to the top. That's all right. Resume some ditch activities. Go for a nice ride. My dude took a tumble, but he's okay. Yeah. Which way are we going to the ditch? I've never been this way. I know there's a ton of ways to get there. Like you can literally enter the ditch anywhere in town almost. Huh, interesting. I thought about entering over here, I just never really thought about it, sort of. I don't know, it's kind of weird. The thought process in my head is funky. Everybody be safe. Kick that rock out the way. And we in the ditch. Giggity, giggity, goo. And that made me a little nervous. I don't know why. A little bit of water's running still through here. I wonder if it's just from people mowing their grass. If it's just because people are watering their grass. But dang, man, the ditch is relatively clean. Hey, look, there's somebody's dumpster. We did have a pretty good windstorm go through here the other day. I know it's kind of weird, but it's nice. It's nice to be able to just be out of traffic, still have concrete to do wheelies, you know, and not be bothered by anybody. And at this end too, there's not a lot of homeless activity because the neighborhood right over there is a little bit nicer. But the other end where all the graffiti is, that end is full of crap.
Note as the FZ Wheelie Guy gets ever close to scraping.
Okay. To get that turn in there a little bit. I am struggling with that, like tremendous. A nice Sunday. It's always a good Sunday when you're on the bike though, but I mean, can't ask for too much more, you know. Got a couple of buddies. It was a quick thing in the chat. Boom, boom, boom. Here we are. And oh, I almost forgot. I think we got a couple of people, or at least one meeting us down in the ditch. Welcome back to the ditch. Ooh, he got that bitch up there. So that's the hole.
What's that?
That's the hole. Well, I know you know, but so everybody does. Ooh.
Fight.
Let's just tie him up and put him in it.
No!
That's what would happen if we went over that.
Is that a freaking grave? What the heck is going on with... Poor little puppy guy.
Riders on the storm.
Off we go then, Mike. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with the ditch, but it's just fun because, and I've said it a million times, people just leave us alone and let us do what we want to do. No cops, nothing. Just pure fun. And that's what we're really about, man. We ain't trying to harass nobody, piss nobody off, annoy nobody. We just want to have some fun. It just sucks though, man. We can't drag race at our OG spot anymore. That big old stinking hole we put that freaking shopping cart in. We used to we used to rip it up in that son of a biscuit. Wide drags. I think we did 4 wide drags a couple times, but there's other ways we can go too. I don't know how far that goes. I think it goes back a little ways, but oh, you know what? I think we might have been there once with Mr. Breakbait Pappy. There's a spot to go up there and hang out. Wheelies! What the hell's going on over here? What the hell?
What the f***? Killed my boy!
I thought it was him because his visor's f***ed up.
Oh, shit.
I was like, damn.
Poor guy. I didn't think I hit him because I didn't feel a bump or nothing.
I sensed it. I saw him flying. I was like, this motherfucker's gonna kill him.
Okay, well, I guess moving on.
Definitely wasn't expecting that. I thought somebody lost their phone or something. Poor little birdie. Alright, so Mr. FZ Wheelie Guy thinks that there's another cool spot over here by the, I guess they're calling it the foothills. I don't think I've been to this spot. I'm not exactly sure. We're by ourselves again. Ooh, where am I at? Alright. Alright, she got it. She got it.
Round 2. Fight.
What the hell? Bunch of dumbasses. Oh, I think I know where he's going now. Oh shit. Okay. Hi, buddy. I'll just dual sport it. Oh, other ditch. All right, back to business. Oh yeah, I kind of remember this ditch. I have been here before. Yeah, this is a good long stretch for a wheelie. Nice and clean too. Sometimes this place right here gets a little bit dirty, but man, pretty little views here going up the canyon. Talk to her.
Oh, it's hot, nigga.
Even me. I was doing a battery change and they waved at me. Oh yeah, right here, right here. He almost ate shit on his bike. He went right through that. Was weird. Let's see what we got going on over here. Is he like looking for tadpoles or something? What is it, tadpoles?
Big ass tadpole.
Dude, I haven't seen tadpoles in, dude, those are huge, in years and years. Wow. I didn't know that there was still tadpole. I mean, you know, frog stuffs around here.
Dude, I want to grab one, but that shit looks disgusting.
It is disgusting. Dang, they are big. I remember the tadpoles back in the day being real small. That's crazy. Tadpoles everywhere. Almost made your bike kiss the wall.
Why?
It just almost happened, bro.
In like 2 days, you'll have no tire. If you don't like, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. Our wheelies won't grow, man.
Professional riders on closed courses in Mexico. Do not try at home.